Hi loves, let's turn your canned tuna into a sisig. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. So we need a bowl and a strainer. So put the canned tuna to remove the oil of it. So it should be dry. That's why we need to strain it. And just set aside. Now let's cut our vegetable. I'm using 1 whole of the red onions. Slice it into small pieces. So I know I'm not good in cutting, but I'm learning on it. Now set aside, and I'm using a jalapeño. So any chili you prefer, and remove the seeds and slice the chili into small pieces. So it's better to use red and green so it's colorful. Now in a pan, turn on gas on high fire and put about 10 grams of salted butter and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and saute the garlic. Now put the canned tuna and put 1 tablespoon of non-GMO soy sauce or cocoa aminos. And give that a mix. And just don't mix all the time. Cook it until golden brown. Now season it with salt and pepper. Just gently mix it and fry it until golden brown, like this. Now let's add the red onions and some jalapeño on it. And just gently mix it. Now remove it from the fire. And add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of spicy mayo or any mayonnaise you prefer. So I have this homemade. So you just mix the mayonnaise into our tuna. Now after you mix it, transfer it into a sizzling plate. Or this is optional. You can transfer it in your plate, but it's better to put it into sizzling plate. So you can heat it again. Now this is optional. I put 1 egg yolk on the top and adds more spicy mayo. So I put on the description box the recipe of it. Now heat it about 2 minutes or until sizzling. So pretty, it's so colorful. So the sisig is famous in Philippines, but we're using a pork. But if you don't want a pork, you can use a tuna on it. So I also have recipe of this. I'm using ground beef. And remove it from the fire. And serve it with your bread or cauliflower rice or any low carb rice like shirataki or in keto tortilla wrapper or in a bread. And that's it. You just mix all the ingredients that's it. So thank you and God bless.